Sandy Hook Bay around
I don't know.
6:50 p.m. Lower New York Harbor around 7 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes.
Let's go.
Wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
Let's go.
Small hail, high waves, lightning.
We got an SMW.
Are expected with this storm. Keep caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
I know. That is crazy.
Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in New Jersey, Eastern Passaic, Western Bergen, and Eastern Bergen, and the following areas in New York, Rockland, and Northern Westchester. A strong thunderstorm will impact north.
What? Another one? You gotta be kidding me. An SVR. Bro, what? What the heck? What is that?
Fairfield County, Southern Westchester County, in southeastern New York.
What the heck, dude?
In southeastern New York.
That came out of nowhere.
PM.
What the heck?
At 6:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was
Dude,
located
an
over
SVR
Dobbs
randomly
Ferry,
came out of
moving east at 30
nowhere.
miles
What
per
the
hour.
heck?
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size
Bro,
hail.
what?
Source, radar indicated.
Dude, that thing literally came out of nowhere right after the special reunion.
Expect
What
wind
the
damage
heck,
to trees
dude?
and power lines.
Jesus Lord.
This severe thunderstorm will be near. White
Dude, look
Plains,
at that.
Harrison around 6:45 p.m.
Right over there.
Portchester and Greenwich around 6:50 p.m.
Dude, this is insane.
Stanford around 7
Let's
p.m.
go.
Darien around 7:10 p.m.
The heck was that?
Norwalk around 7:15
And it expired in SVR.
For your protection, move to an interior.
Dude, look at this big thunderstorm. That is crazy.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm.
I think I see a rotation. I think I might see a rotation.
Your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Oh my god. God damn, bro. That came out of nowhere.
The severe thunderstorm warning for
Jesus
southeastern
Lord.
Somerset, north central Monmouth, and
Goddamn.
Middlesex counties will expire at 6:45 p.m.
That randomly
The
came out
initial
of
storm
nowhere.
which prompted the warning has moved out of the area.
What the heck?
Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. A severe
Oh,
thunderstorm
shoot.
watch remains in effect until 9 p.m.
Oh,
for
no.
in central New Jersey. Remember, a severe thunderstorm warning still remains in effect for
SVR?
north
That is
central
crazy.
Monmouth County